Hello guys, welcome back to our home movies. And before I say anything, make sure to subscribe, that like button, and let's get on to this video. So today I'm going to be showing my little squishy collection because I love squishies. I even know how to make some. So let's see. Should I do the small ones? These are like the medium size. So first we got a purse. My purse one is like, I love this one. Like I literally made this one too, like just a second ago. So and then we got this one that I just made also. We got I Love Mama So. We got this. Go to the trash can. Math. And I love squishing them. I love my family so much. Then we got another thing. Have I showed the crayons? I don't think I have. And then what I have right here. Actually, I'm not going to show these. These are friend likes, but these are friendly. It's just moving on to lunch. We got lunch of you in lunch. I literally just made this one. That's some ramen. I love ramen. Right off the bat. And I got this little poppet. But like when you smash it, it's squished. Got almost two of the same, it's just not the same. Got these two notes. Wait, this one should be in here with that one. I love you. Not like y'all, but that one, that's a soccer ball. Look, sucker. A unicorn. A pen. Jolly Ranchers. This is, I'm not going to show this because it's like my friend's. I made it for her. I don't want to say her name in the video, so this is for her. XOXO. I cannot show this one either because it's her sister's name. This is my name. I'm not going to show. There. Bracelet. Burnt pizza. I want it to be burnt. Smiley face. And a blue heart. I literally have drawers right here, so that's why I'm sitting here. And I made a little fort, so like that's there. The reason why I can't show these is because they mean a lot, and I just don't want to tell the whole world who they are. Okay, so these I'm not going to show actually. Bigfoot. Camera and a mirror and Doritos. So that's all for tonight's video. Hope you have a good day, good night. See y'all next time, and make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Bye guys.